Hello, hello friends. I am Helena, studying in class 9B KVFS Begumpet. My teacher guide is Mrs. K. Nirmala Devi ma'am. As a part of the project teaching mathematics with GeoGebra made joyful, I would like to teach area of a trapezium. For starting, we have to take a line tool and make a line. After making a line, go to the point tool, the second tool, and the first option point tool, and make a point. After that, go to the parallel line tool and make a parallel line parallel to AB. After that, we have to show object the parallel lines. After that, we have to go to line segment tool and select all the points as shown in the screen. Join all the points with the line segment tool. After that, this this trapezium, is flexible. First, we have to adjust, and because it's flexible, we will pin to the screen. We will select the point, and on the right top, there is an option here, a lock symbol. We have to press it. Similarly, do all to do to the all points. After that, this object is not flexible. After that, we have to go to perpendicular line and draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular using the perpendicular tool. After that, go to segment tool and make a segment between D and E. After drawing a segment, go to show object tool and again show object the perpendicular line. After that, go to midpoint or center tool and find the midpoint between D and B. Find the midpoint between D and B. After that, go to slider tool and make a slider of angle. Select angle and we will name the slider as B, not capital B, small b. In maximum, we will take 180 degrees. In the minimum, we will take 0 degrees. In the increment, we will take 1 degrees. And press OK. After that, we have to go to polygon tool and select all the points. Select all the points using polygon tool and go to the input box. Go to the input box and write rotate and select the second option, which is rotate object angle point. Select that one. In the place of object, we will write Q1, because we took polygon tool and we highlighted all the points. In the place of angle, we will write small b, because our slider name is B. In the place of point, we will write capital F, because the midpoint between B and D is point F. So we will enter. After that, the dynamic object is shown. We will pin this. After that, we will go to this line, go to settings of this segment and style the segment. We will decorate the segment. This segment also. Segment AB. After that, the segment DE, we will decorate the line style the segment. After that, we can color the trapeziums. This and this. After that, we will write the text. Let's write the formula. That's it. And our formula is ready. And we will increase the size, area of a trapezium. Thank you.